The inclusion of titanium in the upcoming Galaxy S24 series has been mentioned for some time. We were informed that Samsung may employ titanium for its upcoming S24 model, however a reputable leaker says that it may now be something different. ICE Universe. There is no truth to the claims that the upcoming Galaxy S24 series would have titanium frames. In contrast, only the Galaxy S24 Ultra model will get the titanium update, while the standard Galaxy S24 and 24 Plus models will use aluminum alloy. While leaker Revegnis said that all Galaxy S24 models will feature titanium frames, Samsung armor aluminum to previous Galaxy S phones. A smartphone community has been interested by the inclusion of titanium side rails in Apple's iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. ICE Universe had previously raised skepticism about this claim, but it now seems that they have gotten confirmation from their source. The more cheap iPhone 15 and 15 Plus still have metal frames, however. It would be logical to think that Samsung could have to develop a plan for its next-generation smartphones. Since conflicts amongst leakers of this kind are relatively uncommon, it might be difficult to tell who is in possession of information. Many of us were thrilled by the possibility of the entry-level Galaxy S24 sporting luxury materials. Based on the information, it seems that no more sources have come forward to back Revegnis' claim, raising questions about those who may be knowingly or unknowingly disseminating incorrect information or blatant lies. On the other side, there are informants who have offered additional information, like our clowns. It looks that a universe currently has a case, until Revegnis provides proof or another leak verifies their claim. Another option is to hold out for the phone's official release, but thankfully we won't have to wait long as Samsung normally introduces its Galaxy S phones at the start of the year. In 2024, Samsung may aim for a January release in order to quickly compete with the iPhone 15 and Google Pixel 8 by releasing models, contrary to the widespread belief that this would entail a February release. We can also anticipate updates like more RAM, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400 chip, depending on the model and region, and an improved telephoto camera with more megapixels and lower magnification on the Ultra version, in addition to one of the 3 rumored Galaxy S24 models potentially featuring titanium frames. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.